Have a safe visit, miss.
Yeah, whatever, just go. I am already late.
A simple thank you would be polite.
Miss, please move away from the doorway.
Why? They can use the other side.
This entrance must stay clear for every patient.
Please sanitize your hands before going farther.
No, that sanitizer smells terrible.
Clean hands protect sick patients and hospital staff.
Excuse me, the line starts behind us.
I can see the line. I am not waiting that long.
Everyone here has an appointment too.
Please wait while I finish helping this patient. No, help me now. My appointment is more important.
Young lady, please wait for your turn.
May I have your appointment information, please? Everything is on the card. Just read it. Please hand things over and speak respectfully. The waiting time is about 20 minutes. 20 minutes? That is completely ridiculous. Please take a seat until the nurse calls you.
Excuse me, dear. May I sit there?
No, I reached the seat first.
This seat is for people who need extra support.
Could you please move your bag?
No, my bag needs space too.
Hospital chairs are for patients, not bags.
Could I sit beside you, please? No, I am comfortable like this. I have been standing for a long time. Hello! Yes, I am stuck at the hospital. This place is so boring. Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Please lower your voice. Some people here are sick.
Then stop listening to my conversation.
Your voice is disturbing the whole waiting room.
Whatever. Please lower the volume. My baby is sleeping. Please silence your phone. Patients need a quiet place. You cannot tell me what to do. People are sick and trying to rest. Miss, please put your wrapper in the trash bin. That is your job, not mine. Everyone should clean up after themselves. Be careful! Someone could slip on that water. Then they should watch where they walk. Leaving the floor wet is dangerous. Emma, wait and let the wheelchair pass first.
Please wait. I need a little more space.
You are moving too slowly. I need to go.
Emma, please keep walking and clear the corridor. Wait, I only need one quick video. Excuse me. I need to take these supplies through.
Emma, please do not touch the medical equipment. Relax. I am only looking at it. These supplies must stay clean and organized.
Please close the door. This is a private consultation.
How was I supposed to know?
The closed door means we need privacy.
Please do not open closed rooms without permission. You should have walked faster and shown me the right room. Patient privacy must always be respected. We are waiting too. Please stand behind us. My ankle hurts. I should go first. Please wait here until I call your name.
Please put your phone away. This check is important.
I only want one quick picture.
The reading cannot work while you are moving.
Do you have any allergies to medicine? I do not know. Just write no. Correct answers are important for your safety.
When did the pain in your ankle begin?
I already told the nurse. Just fix my ankle.
I need to understand the injury before I examine it.
Please listen while I explain how I will examine your ankle.
I can hear you while I check my phone.
I need your full attention to understand your symptoms. Please remove your shoe so I can check the ankle.
Can you not check it without removing everything?
I need to see the ankle clearly before I examine it. Your ankle needs rest, and I may need an X-ray first.
I do not want another explanation. Just give me medicine.
I must understand the injury before choosing safe treatment. Please follow the instructions and return if the pain gets worse.
I understand. I do not need another reminder.
Take care, and please rest your ankle.
Please go ahead. I will wait here.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
You are welcome. Please take your time. Good morning. I hope you are well.
Good morning. Welcome to the hospital.
Thank you. It is nice to see you.
Thank you for cleaning your hands.
Clean hands help protect patients and staff.
That is right. You may continue to reception.
The line begins here.
Thank you for telling me. I will wait here.
You are welcome. The line is moving soon.
Good morning. I am here for my follow-up appointment. Good morning. May I see your ID, please? Of course. Here it is. Thank you. The waiting time will be about 20 minutes. Thank you for telling me. I will wait patiently. Please take a regular seat until the nurse calls you.
Thank you for leaving this seat available.
You are welcome. This seat is for someone who needs it.
That is very thoughtful of you.
Excuse me, is this seat available?
Yes, of course. Let me move my bag.
Thank you. I really needed to sit down.
You're welcome.
Thank you for keeping your phone quiet.
People need peace while they wait here.
Yes, quiet behavior helps everyone rest.
Oh no, these papers are very important.
Do not worry. I will help you pick them up.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
Here are all your papers. I did not read them.
Thank you. They contain my important appointment details.
You are welcome. Please close the folder so they stay safe.
Of course. Thanks again.
Emma, please come with me. Yes, I am ready. Thank you. You are welcome. Please follow me. Please go through first. I will wait here.
Thank you for giving me enough space.
Take your time. Thank you, Emma. We can continue now.
Thank you for leaving enough space.
Staff and patients need a clear path. Yes, clear corridors help keep everyone safe.
The triage room is ready now.
May I come inside, please?
Yes, please come in.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please sit in this chair.
Thank you. I am ready.
Please relax your arm and keep it still.
Of course. Is this position correct?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you for cooperating.
The doctor will see you in the next room.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You are welcome. Please follow me.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Emma. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I am ready.
I will move your ankle gently and check where it hurts.
I understand. I will tell you if I feel pain.
Thank you for listening carefully.
When may I safely return to exercise?
Rest first, then begin slowly when the pain improves.
Thank you. I will follow your advice carefully.
Rest your ankle, use the support, and take the medicine after food.
I will rest, use the support, and take the medicine after food.
That is correct. Return if the pain becomes worse.
Thank you for your time and clear advice.
You are welcome. Please follow the instructions and rest.
I will. Thank you again, doctor.
The imaging line begins here.
Thank you. I will wait for my turn.
You are welcome. The line is moving normally.
Are you feeling nervous about the X-ray? Yes, I have never had one before. The technician will guide you. It is usually very quick.
Please place your foot on the mark and keep still.
Is my foot in the correct position?
Yes, that position is correct. Please do not move. The image is complete. Please wait while I check it.
Of course. I will wait here.
Thank you. The image looks clear. Your X-ray is complete. The doctor will review the image.
Should I return to the doctor's room now?
Collect your things, then return to reception for instructions.
Thank you for your help and clear instructions.
You are welcome. Please return to reception now.
I will. Have a nice day.